Hello friends, I am Prachivani from Kekewak Polytechnic. Again welcome you all in the lecture on conjunctions, which is a very important parts of speech in English. In the earlier lecture we have already seen different prepositions. Now course outcome is the same, that is formulate grammatically correct sentences. After learning this information on conjunctions, the student will be able to formulate, to create the grammatically correct sentences. Also, in writing as well as in speaking skill, the student must be able to identify different conjunctions to connect phrases, clauses in the specified sentences. Also, in speaking, the student must be able to apply relevant conjunctions to use idiomatic language for the given situations. So now we will see in detail. Now, the first of all, coordinating conjunctions. So, I will be back. Conjunctions, we will try to understand the meaning of conjunctions. The conjunctions are the words or group of words that links or join two or more words, clauses, as well as sentences. Hence, it is very important parts of speech. Or language cannot be there, or the language cannot be most entertaining without use of these conjunctions. So basically there are three types of conjunctions. At a school level you might have studied, that is coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, third one is correlative conjunctions. Now we will see one by one, that is coordinating conjunctions. Here the example is given for your proper understanding. The green color word which is given there, that is conjunction, especially this is coordinating conjunctions and going to connect two different clauses who are main clauses. Now we try to understand what is meant by main clause. These are the clauses which can stand of their own. There is no dependency on the another clause, and if we remove coordinating conjunction and another clause, even then the tone, the meaning of that sentence is not going to disturb. It can be fulfilled of its own. So, what is the learning of coordinating conjunctions? The coordinating conjunctions connects the clauses who are the main clauses, or they are called here independent clauses. Now, conjunctions, such type of coordinating conjunctions can be remembered by using your fanboys. That kind of idea might be given to you by your school teachers. So, fanboys, that gives us complete idea about the different conjunctions. So F stands for, A and, N nor, B but, O or, Y yet, and S for so. So fanboys means these are the limited conjunctions which considered to connect two or different clauses or sentences who can stand of their own. If we are using it or if we are going to remove it, even then the tone of the sentence is not going to disturb. The meaning is going to be fulfilled, maybe in the presence or maybe in the absence of the another clauses or conjunctions. So for here for proper understanding we can go for the another sentences which are given there. See, I told her to leave for I was very tired. So the first sentence, if we consider, I told her to leave, here the meaning can be easily fulfilled. If we are going to hide the first complete clause up to for, that is conjunction, I was very tired. So both sentences can be used in the statement form, and that's why it never disturbs the toning. Even then we can use that conjunction when we are saying something in a proper connection. I like football and I like hockey. When I am going to express my willingness, so definitely my liking, then I can use your and in absence of that and, even then the sentence can be easily fulfilling the complete meaning. Like that, rest of the sentences have been given there. Now next conjunction is your subordinating conjunctions. Example is given, again highlighted part, that is green color which is highlighted, or it is represented by if, that is called your subordinating conjunction. See, if you pay the bill, I will be very happy. So the first part of the sentence up to the comma is called your subordinate clause. and the rest of the sentence, rest of the clause is called your main clause or principal clause. The sentence headed by if, or that is subordinating conjunction, is called a subordinate clause generally. Because if we are going to say, if you pay the bill, and if we hide the rest of the clause, definitely the meaning is not going to fulfill. So that type of the sentence becomes here dependent, that is clause. Means this clause, subordinate clause, is depend upon the main clause which is given next. That is, I will be very happy. Now main clause can stand of its own. It has no any dependency on the earlier one. So the learning is what? Subordinating conjunctions join or connect the clauses or sentences from which one must be subordinate clause and another must be here main clause. So without main clause, the sentence becomes here meaningless. So to have the fulfillment of meaning of the sentence, there is necessity to have at least one main clause or principal clause. Generally, subordinating conjunctions are very vast. It contains WH type of all words. Also after, although, as soon as, not, no sooner than, hardly had, even then, that, as, all that type of the words comes under subordinating conjunctions because it joins the two clauses from which one is subordinate clause and another is your main clause. Now third category of conjunction is your correlative conjunctions. Means again it is going to connect the two different sentences or clauses from which the both sentences must be main clause or independent clauses. They should have their own meaning. Or when we are saying something with having some correlation between two ideas, two adjectives, two qualities, then correlative conjunctions are here used. Generally it is used in a pair to join the different words, different phrases. Let us see the example. You should go either by bus or by train. Again here the words which are highlighted with the green color indicates correlation between bus as well as train. Means two options have been given there. You have to decide which one you have to select. Second one is here conditional clause. If you promise, then I will come. So if and then. So it shows correlation between your promise and your coming. So that is my coming. So correlative conjunctions are going to connect two different clauses from which both clauses must be main clauses. Now here is a list of correlative conjunctions, that is both San Francisco and Sydney have beautiful harbors. Not only but also, Japanese food is not only delicious to eat but also beautiful to look at. Either or, bring either a raincoat or an umbrella when you visit Seattle. Neither nor. My grandfather could neither read nor write, but he was a very wise man. Whether or. The newlyweds could not decide whether to live with their parents or to rent an apartment. So all that idea shows correlation. Now this is exercise for your own understanding. Let us see. She is free to decide whether to play or not. Ashok will get the job as he deserves it, because he deserves it. I might order a pizza or I might get a burger. When I am having both options, I will go for any one, then or can be used. She wants to buy a car dash she can't afford. She wants to buy a car but she can't afford. Again this is coordinating conjunctions. I am hungry dash I am going to get something. I am hungry so I am going to get something. Mary was late dash she received cut in pay. Mary was late so that she received cut in pay. He dash studies well and works hard. He not only studies well but also works hard. Dash he entered the room, he saw a snake. As soon as he entered the room, he saw a snake. When immediate actions have been given there, then as soon as is used. Rahul did not come to college dash he was sick. Rahul did not come to college because he was sick. I think dash I know who sang this song. I think that I know who sang this song. So exercise is given for your more practice. Until and unless we will do this practice, we will read that kind of the sentences again and again, we are not able to place appropriate conjunction at the appropriate places. So thank you very much. You can go for this video and you can be easily understanding of conjunctions.